Today we are going to discover the rainbow world of Kindi Kids by Moose. The Kindi Kids are bigger versions of the most popular Shopkin Shoppies, and these are a group of little girls getting ready for their first day of kindergarten. And today we're going to take a closer look at Marsha Mellow. Let's open the box. Meet Marsha Mellow. She's got marshmallows in her hair. She's got matching hair, dress, and shoes, and accessories. You can take her marshmallows out of her hair and bring her hair down and brush it. She has a bobblehead, moves around. Woo! And she also has beautiful glittery eyes if you look into them. Her clothes are changeable as well as her shoes. And all of the Kindi Kids have similar features. They have matching outfits with their accessories and changeable clothes and glittery eyes as well. She can also interact with her super cute accessories, Cake Pop and Baby Chino. Cake Pop can be taken out of the wrapper for a bite and then replenished by putting it back into the wrapper. And Baby Chino is made out of marshmallows, and if you squeeze it, the marshmallows come out of the straw. Super cute. The Kindi Kids are recommended for ages 3 and up, and are also accompanied by a YouTube channel with episodes of the Kindi Kids and their many adventures that I also highly recommend. Thanks so much for watching.